Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hedge and Lee with a morning update for Bitcoin. So here we still have that fractal markings. So we had two flags. Second one was pierced, and then there was a vertical move up. Now on the white, we have two flags. Second one was pierced. It looked like it was going up. Now it has retraced. So it does not necessarily invalidate the fractal. The direction is really what we're looking for. And there are other patterns that indicate that the direction will still likely be higher highs. If we look at the head and shoulders potential that we have been discussing about as the alternate, even though the volume does not necessarily confirm, still the price can decline. And if we saw here 5 waves up, and these 5 waves up was in an impulsive manner, then the decline usually goes to the prior wave 4. And I think what we are having here is one, two, three, 4, and 5. So when you see a decline of 5 waves as the first set of the corrective retracement, because after these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white impulse waves, the requisite correction has to come about. And that first move down was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What kind of an ABC would that be? I believe we're looking at a zigzag 5, 3, 5 correction. And how would that play out? Well, the 5 is the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. 3 will be the ABC, and this was very 3-wave-ish. So A, B, and C. So there's 3, 5, 3, and then next will be the 5. And I think that's starting right now. So we have probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that 5 for now, I'm going to make it equal to prior wave 4. And together this 5, 3, 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5, 3, 5, compose of the subwaves to a higher degree A, B, C. And that'll be that ABC zigzag 5, 3, 5 correction. Following this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulse up. And I think it looks rather quite very nice. Now this whole 535 could make into a very nice looking downward symmetrical triangle as well. And the bullish outlook of the whole thing is, yes, we have 5 waves up, and there's a requisite correction. That correction is currently happening as a zigzag of 535, and once it is done, and it may complete in a pattern perspective as a downward bullish wedge, and this can break out. And once that breaks out, higher highs will be realized. And those higher highs will come about after the correction. Now, case in point to the left shoulder, head, and the right shoulder. Now, the symmetry is very nice. There's double left shoulder, double right shoulder, split on the head. And the minimum trace for this is calling for 7,268. So can we go down that low? Yes. So it could be 7268, or to the prior wave 4, 7584, if this corrective mode is correct. Does that mean we're going to crash from here to all-time lows? No, I don't think so. Because from the longer term perspective, the pattern, waves, and indication show that probably is not the likelihood. All right, I hope you found this to be helpful. I hope this kind of information helps augment your due diligence. And the final question that I will put here will be, at this point, would you be taking buying or selling actions? Because we have 1, 2, 3 will be the next. These 5 waves become subwaves to higher degree wave 1. This ABC becomes subwaves to higher degree wave 2. That means when 3 is next, it'll be a very violent move upwards, because 3 extends the most quite often. Have a wonderful day.